Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can reset camera, fix all the issues in it. If you are facing difficulty in any settings, some settings are uh, not showing, how you can fix them in your camera in Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your camera. Here it is AI cam. First you have to click on settings like this. Swipe down, here it is restore defaults. You have to click on restore and your camera settings has been restored successfully and it is back to the normal settings. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.